recording. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to capture the flag. Wait, I need to pause it. I need to pause it for. Wait. I need to pause it. So. Recording. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that. I need to tell my cousin. My cousin's here. His name's Beaver18. He subscribe to his YouTube account, MCPE Potato Hub, and you should subscribe to him. I don't think he made a video yet, but you definitely subscribe to him. Yeah, you should totally subscribe to him. Okay. So I just need to tell you about that. So let's just continue on with the game. Let's just talk about this game. Okay, okay, why am I breaking that? GG? Are you kidding me? I just started. What? GG? Someone just said I'll help you. Why? Is he from Red? What the heck? Is he from freaking Red? Is he from freaking Red? What the heck? I have no idea what the heck is that. Luffy Dave? No, there's a girl in my thing who has a diamond sword. It's just do only that. Wait, I'm a quick wicket. That might be. Okay, that's it. I hit quick wicket. Oh, we have a freaking TNT. All you do is see, look. That's it. Okay, kill one. Okay, I didn't kill one. It's bad luck, man. It's bad luck. You almost pressed me menu. So about that audio issues. Sorry, there's spit everywhere. Sorry that audio issues. So sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry about that. Hitting me with wood there. Can you do that? Thank you. Who needs this? I don't need this. What the heck? No. What the? Who hit me? Someone hit me out of nowhere. What the heck? Someone just hit me out of nowhere. What? GG already? It's so close. I mean, that's so short. I meant. G. The potatoes here. My gosh, why? Why? Just why? Oh my god, what the heck? I'm blue team again. I'm blue team again. I'm freaking blue team again. I hate blue team. Blue team sucks. Oh, that's perfect right there. Oh. 5 stacks. It's okay. 5 stacks. Okay. Build a bridge. Why am I not sneaking? Okay, why do I suck at building bridges? See, just do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, is there any red? What kind of bridge is this? You can just jump right here. Just do that. You can just jump right freaking there. Okay. Our fans beaver. Okay. But me. Okay, let's just get on with it. Oh, oh. Sorry about that. It's super laggy. And so about there's no audio. That will be always in my videos because what I downloaded Minecraft. I didn't pay it. I just downloaded it for free, and yeah, this is what happens. And I get only 14.1, and 14.2. I'm so sorry about that. Oh. Okay. See. Potato. I just said that. I just said potato without an E. Oh. Okay, see? I'm a potato. So I think this will be my last game. Last round. I don't know. Be quiet potato. Okay, never mind. Let's just continue. Let's just play this goddamn round. Okay, I'm gonna PvP after this thing. Don't mess with potatoes. Go to what the heck? Birthday. Okay, I think he'll go tomorrow. Chat. Just this one more. Okay. PvP time. PvP time. Who cares? We lose hearts. All you care is about attacking. Come. That's my teammate. All you do is attack. Itodi, get to the pot. Diamond sword, I'm out. Diamond sword, and I'm out. What the heck? Okay, so sorry about that. I really yay. Yay. Oh, you wanna follow me? Potato! 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 No, come on, you can do this. Sorry for not talking that much. I just really need to concentrate. Just really need to concentrate. Oh, sorry for the coughing in the background. That's my grandma. Yeah, sorry, that's my grandma. Mine! Diamond sword! There's a diamond sword! Got too many pickaxes. Let's just do this like normally. It's a freaking red right there. How are you supposed to do that? Potato. He's dead. Oh god, look at this guy's skin. It's amazing. Holy crap. Oh my god, look at that guy's skin. Oh my god, what the heck? What the heck is this guy's skin? Obviously, this round will never end. Hopefully, it will just not be that long. Hopefully, it will not be long. Please, I beg you. Let's just attack. Let's just do this. Again, I'm sorry for this. Beavers, it's okay. LOL, beaver. Okay, I killed that guy. Okay, I killed that guy. And this guy, I mean girl, will save me, right? 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 I don't think so. Bye. Hello. Bye. I'm out. Holy shit, I'm out. Holy shit, I'm out. Oh, 4 block jump. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. Oh! Please. Just do it. Sorry, I need to pause. So, I'm back. And then the red one, right? The red one. Please tell me. Or else I'm gonna cut. There we go. GG. Sorry about the recording. So, this was my grandma. So, anyway guys, thank you for watching. And see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.